Have you ever wondered where the biggest celebrities go when they want to take a break? Imagine owning a beautiful vacation home in a stunning place, way more luxurious than a normal holiday home. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, for these celebrities, it's a reality. From amazing beach houses to huge country estates, these vacation homes are not just for relaxing, they show off their wealth and success. In this video, we shall explore the top 8 celebrity luxury vacation properties and take a look at the incredible homes where the rich and famous go to relax. So, let's dive in. 1. Taylor Swift's Seaside Estate, Watch Hill, Rhode Island. Taylor Swift is known for her music, but did you know she also has an incredible $17.75 million vacation home in Rhode Island? This seaside estate is like a dream come true. With 8 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, and nearly 700 feet of shoreline, it's the perfect getaway from her busy life. Not only does it offer breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean, but it's also a prime spot for privacy. The 11,000 square foot mansion is designed in a classic style with modern touches. Inside, the rooms are spacious, decorated with elegance and comfort. The lush gardens and private pool create the perfect atmosphere for relaxation. If you've ever seen her 4th of July parties, you've glimpsed this stunning estate. Taylor's Watch Hill home is the ultimate place for unwinding and enjoying the quiet life away from the spotlight. Taylor Swift's home is more than just a place to stay. It's a luxurious retreat where she can escape from the press and enjoy quality time with close friends and family. The estate offers the kind of privacy and luxury that only the ultra-wealthy can afford. It's a vacation destination, but it's also her home away from home, showcasing her love for nature and style. 2. Beyonce and Jay-Z's mansion, New Orleans. When you think of the power couple Beyonce and Jay-Z, luxury is always a part of the picture. They own an incredible 1925 mansion in New Orleans called Casa de Castillo. Purchased for $2.6 million, this 13,292 square foot property is a masterpiece in Spanish Baroque style. The mansion was once a Presbyterian church and then became a ballet studio before being converted into a residential gem. With 7 bedrooms, a massive green roof, and plenty of private space, this mansion is the ultimate blend of historical charm and modern luxury. Inside, the property boasts lavish details, like high ceilings and intricate woodwork, along with state-of-the-art amenities. Beyonce and Jay-Z also have plenty of room for their family and guests, with multiple private apartments in the home. This vacation property is more than just a house. It's a space for creativity, relaxation, and privacy, allowing them to unwind in peace when they are not busy with their careers. From the gorgeous gardens to the expansive living areas, every inch of Casa de Castillo is designed to be a luxurious retreat. The home exudes elegance, and the atmosphere is perfect for a couple that enjoys the finer things in life. The Carters have found a true sanctuary where they can relax and entertain in style. 3. George Clooney's Villa, Lake Como, Italy. When it comes to Italian luxury, George Clooney's Villa on Lake Como is the epitome of elegance. This 18th century mansion, known as Villa Olindra, is a picturesque retreat nestled in the stunning Italian countryside. Clooney fell in love with the place during a motorcycle ride in 2002 when his bike broke down near the property. The owners at the time invited him in, and the rest, as they say, is history. Clooney bought the villa for $7.5 million and has since turned it into a private paradise. With 25 rooms, a large garden, an outdoor theater, and a tennis court, Villa Olindra is an ideal vacation home. The villa also has a room dedicated entirely to making pizza, which is a true testament to Clooney's love for the Italian lifestyle. For George, this villa represents the perfect balance of relaxation and entertainment. It's located in one of the most exclusive areas of Italy, offering privacy and breathtaking views of the lake and surrounding mountains. Living in Villa Olindra means embracing the slow, relaxing pace of Italian life while enjoying the finest luxury. Clooney also purchased a neighboring villa to ensure even more privacy, making this property one of the most coveted vacation homes in the world. 4. Oprah Winfrey's Hawaiian Estate. Oprah Winfrey is known for her taste in luxury, and her Hawaiian estate is no exception. Located in the heart of Maui, this stunning property is the perfect place for Oprah to escape the hustle and bustle of her busy life. With its breathtaking views, lush greenery, and beachfront location, Oprah's Hawaiian getaway offers the ultimate relaxation. The property is a combination of traditional Hawaiian design and modern luxury, making it a true retreat from the world. Oprah's home is surrounded by horses and lush fields, which adds to the tranquil atmosphere. The property also includes a full-service spa, a pool, and multiple outdoor spaces perfect for entertaining. Oprah loves to retreat here and enjoy the peaceful surroundings, whether she's spending time with friends, meditating, or simply enjoying the beach. It's a sanctuary that reflects Oprah's love for nature, wellness, and luxury. Her estate is not just about beauty, it's also about comfort. With state-of-the-art amenities and a design that prioritizes relaxation, Oprah has created a space that is both luxurious and incredibly peaceful. This home embodies the kind of lifestyle that Oprah values, and it's a perfect place for her to unwind and recharge. 5. Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie's Chateau Miraval, France. Although Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie are no longer together, their French vacation home, Chateau Miraval, remains one of the most luxurious celebrity estates in the world. This 1,000-acre vineyard and manor in the heart of Provence is a stunning example of French countryside elegance. The couple purchased the property in 2011 for $60 million, and it's been a retreat for their family ever since. The estate is home to multiple villas, a wine cellar, and expansive gardens. Chateau Miraval is more than just a home. It's a vineyard where the couple produces their own wine, including the popular Miraval Rosé. The estate's wine cellar is a work of art, and it's been the backdrop for many special moments in the couple's lives. The sprawling grounds include fountains, olive groves, and a private lake, making it the perfect place to get away from it all. Whether you're strolling through the gardens, enjoying a quiet meal, or lounging by the pool, Chateau Miraval offers a sense of serenity and luxury. This French retreat is an ideal blend of family, privacy, and luxury. With its beautiful setting and incredible amenities, it's easy to see why Brad and Angelina chose this property to create lasting memories. The home reflects their commitment to enjoying the best of both worlds, luxury and nature. 6. Ashton Kutcher and Mila Kunis's Beach House, Santa Barbara, California. Located in a gated community just outside of Santa Barbara, California, Ashton Kutcher and Mila Kunis's beach house offers the perfect mix of luxury and privacy. This 3,100-square-foot home, which is valued at approximately $10 million, features 6 spacious bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, with just a short walk to the sandy beach. The property's open-plan design allows natural light to flood the space, creating an airy and inviting atmosphere. The backyard is equipped with a jacuzzi, ideal for relaxing while enjoying the serene surroundings. The house is built with elegant finishes, including hardwood floors and high-end appliances in the kitchen. For the couple, this beach house is more than just a vacation spot, it's their peaceful retreat away from the bustling world of Hollywood. They enjoy the privacy it offers, as the home is secluded and surrounded by lush greenery, ensuring they can unwind without the constant buzz of fame. 7. Rihanna's Villa, Barbados. Rihanna's Villa in Barbados is an incredible property located in the exclusive One Sandy Lane estate, which she bought for $19 million. The villa has 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, with stunning views of the Caribbean Sea. The property also has a private spa, tennis court, and gym, everything Rihanna needs to relax and stay fit. The villa is beautifully designed, combining modern luxury with tropical vibes, and features spacious rooms with marble floors and elegant details. Rihanna feels completely safe and private here, thanks to advanced security systems like fingerprint access and 24/7 monitoring. This villa offers the perfect escape to enjoy the peaceful beauty of Barbados, away from the spotlight. 8. Miley Cyrus's country home, Franklin, Tennessee. Miley Cyrus's 33-acre farmhouse in Franklin, Tennessee, is the perfect getaway for the country girl at heart. Purchased for $5.8 million, this 6,689-square-foot home offers 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. Unlike other celebrity vacation properties, Miley's home exudes comfort and simplicity, offering a peaceful retreat in a beautiful rural setting. The property is incredibly secluded, offering total privacy with a mini-golf course, a spa, and a private elevator. Miley's Franklin estate is the perfect place to unwind away from the Hollywood spotlight. The backyard pool and gorgeous gardens create the perfect atmosphere for relaxation. For Miley, this is her personal haven, where she can relax in peace and escape from the demands of fame. So, which celebrity vacation property would you choose to call your own? Would you prefer a beachfront villa in Barbados, a countryside estate in Tennessee, or a historic French mansion? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insider looks into the most luxurious celebrity homes and vacation properties around the world. We'll see you in the next video, and until then, keep dreaming of luxury living.